NASA's planning a moon base by 2030, here's how it'll change space forever. From sending the first woman and person of color to the lunar surface to paving the way for Mars, the Artemis program is humanity's next giant leap. But why go back to the moon when we've been there before? Stick around to find out. Hit that subscribe button for weekly space updates, and let's blast off. Over 50 years ago, Apollo 11 put humans on the moon, but we haven't been back since 1972. So why now? The Artemis program isn't just about repeating history, it's about building a sustainable future in space. NASA's goal is to establish a permanent lunar presence, test technologies for Mars, and inspire a new generation. Plus, it's bringing international partners and diverse crews to the table, making this a global mission. Let's break down the Artemis program. It's a series of missions led by NASA, with 3 key phases. Artemis I, launched in 2022, was an uncrewed test flight of the Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built, and the Orion spacecraft. It orbited the moon and returned safely, proving the tech works. Artemis II, planned for 2026, will send 4 astronauts on a lunar flyby, the first crewed mission to deep space since Apollo. Artemis III, targeting 2028, will land humans on the moon's south pole, where water ice could fuel future missions. Beyond these, NASA plans the Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the moon, and surface habitats for long-term stays. This isn't just a pit stop, it's a stepping stone to Mars. So, what's Artemis trying to achieve? Here are the big goals: sustainable lunar presence. Artemis will build bases at the moon's south pole, where water ice can be turned into drinking water, oxygen, or even rocket fuel. This makes the moon a cosmic gas station. Diverse crews. Artemis aims to land the first woman and first person of color on the moon, ensuring space exploration reflects humanity's diversity. Mars preparation. The moon is a testing ground for Mars tech, think radiation shielding, 3D printed habitats, and life support systems. What we learn here will get us to the red planet by the 2030s. International collaboration. Partners like ESA, Japan, and Canada are contributing tech, like the Gateway's modules, making Artemis a global effort. At the heart of Artemis is the Space Launch System, or SLS, a beast of a rocket standing 322 feet tall, taller than the Statue of Liberty. It can carry 95 tons to orbit, outmuscling even SpaceX's Falcon Heavy. Paired with the Orion spacecraft, which can support a crew for 21 days in deep space, SLS is the backbone of Artemis. Add in commercial partners like SpaceX, providing lunar landers, and you've got a high-tech dream team pushing us back to the moon. Artemis isn't just about planting flags, it's about building a future where humanity lives and works beyond Earth. A lunar base could unlock new science, like studying the moon's geology or testing Mars-bound tech. It's also a chance to unite nations in a shared goal, inspiring kids to dream of becoming astronauts or engineers. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to see a moon base in their lifetime? So, what do you think? Should we focus on the moon or push straight for Mars? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a cosmic debate. If you loved this dive into Artemis, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your space nerd friends, and hit subscribe for more. See you in the stars.